Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Fab Fit Fun, one of my very favorite subscription boxes. They always include a magazine. This is the Fall 2020 box. And this is really handy because they tell you about all the products, even the products you didn't get, but that other people got, their values, and all sorts of stuff. So each box is valued a little bit differently, and if you've signed up for a year subscription, you get to customize some of your items. Ooh, pumpkin spice recipes, pumpkin spice cauliflower mac and cheese. Not sure about that, but sounds interesting. So there's that, and I always calculate everything and then put below how much my box was valued at. So then we have an advertisement and a coupon for Bright Sellers. Gather the Good, and HelloFresh. I do have a HelloFresh coupon code I'll link below in case you're interested. So let's dig in. This is very cute packaging. Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan milk from the Beauty Crop. Okay, it says it highlights while it illuminates your skin. Very cool. Also have Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Serum, anti-pore. So if you have issues with enlarged or clogged pores and you want smaller pores, you can use that. Next up, Height. This is Sleep Mist. Has witch hazel and lavender oil in it and rice water. Then we have Crease Release. Removes wrinkles. So far, this isn't stuff I would typically use, so let's see. I don't even remember what I customized, honestly. Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. Now that sounds interesting. I'm gonna take a whiff of that, see if it smells like pumpkin or walnut. It kind of does. Has like a very light pumpkin smell. Then I also got Multivitamin Mask. There are a bunch in here. So we have 5 face masks. Cute packaging to look like a little vitamin. Also received So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. I could actually use that. I don't have any cuticle oil. I do my nails all the time, so that's useful. And then I guess I picked a bag. I think that was possibly one of my items. And it's the last thing in the box. So let's see how big this is. Oh, now I remember. It's kind of like a little basket. Probably put stuff in it, put it in your closet. That's kind of cute. And I'm sure it seems pretty sturdy and thick, so it'll hold shape. But yeah, that's what I got in my fall box this month. If you guys want to join, I have a promo code below to save you a bunch of money off your first box. It's a real fun subscription. I tend to like the summer boxes the best, but yep, that's what I got. And check out my playlist in case you want to see more unboxings from FabFitFun. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.